breath. I wonder where Christian is. Oh, there he is. Hi, Chris. Oh, didn't see you guys. Hi, guys. Maybe it's because I'm cross-eyed. Anyway. Hi, guys. What's up, everybody? And today, I'm playing Brookhaven again, and I'm going to be living the boat life with my brother, Christian. Christian said hi before, so that's technically saying hi to YouTube. Anyway, I'm gonna go downstairs I'm gonna go do my hair, make it a bit straighter. My hair can never be straight. My hair can never be too straight. I'm going fishing. Okay. I'm taking a shower. Get all this stink off. Okay, I'm done my shower. I'm scared. We don't have a door and intruders always come in. I'm going to my backpack. I'm gonna get these things out just in case. Wait, what? What's this? A note. What's it say? Wait, what? What? Read this. I know, right? Wait, what does it say? You seem so much more panicked than I do. I wanna go get an apple. Wait. I'm gonna get some Coke. Okay, I'm back. We might get kicked off the boat, or we might die. What? Who said this? Who does it say like regards from or something? The robbers. That's what I was talking about before. That's what I said. I hope we don't get robbed. Well, I've always prepared for this. Come here, Christian. Follow me. Come. We can't let the robbers see this. Go behind the shower. Look what you have. There are so many guns and money and gold. We need to block this area off so they can't get here. I got the gun. Okay. I got my guns. Now, just in case we need to, we might have to blow up the boat. Okay, you guys. I have a really good idea. I'm gonna build a backup house. I need to swim. I'm swimming in clothes, but I don't care. Okay. In a few minutes, I'll try and start building a house, okay? Never mind, I'll just build it now. What house to get? Okay, this is our backup house, alright? If the robbers come and we need to explode the boat, we jump here. We go to here. Okay, I'll defend the boat, and I'll defend the house. Great idea. And you must look after that money in the safe bit. I'm scared. I'm gonna do some things inside the house. Okay. I am going to check the vault. Yep, okay. Is there an... Wait, just wait, what's happening? Why do I feel like something's calling me? What? 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 Oh my goodness. Oh my god, oh my god. We need to prepare for this. Die! 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 What are you doing? Wait, I need to tell him to surrender. Surrender! Go away! Or, I meant to write or death! I can't breathe on the water! I'm protecting the vault, okay? Okay, I don't care what you say. What is that tank doing here? I don't know which gun to get out. I don't know which gun to get out. I'm gonna go with number 2. He seems like he can shoot the fastest. It's 1:31. I feel tired. What's happening? Bro, me in police. There's people attacking the house. Go away. Surrender, go away, or death. I'm invincible. I'm going. Bye, losers. Haha. Hands up. You can't tell us what to do. We're also cops. Ha ha ha. I'll control the boat. It's been on autopilot, and if it's on autopilot for too long, the boat could explode. Okay, turn on gears. Turn on gears. Steer. Ah! Someone's trying to get into the boat! Someone's trying to get into the boat! Someone's trying to get into the boat! The boat! The boat! No, 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 no! No, 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 no! We need to blow up. We need to blow up and teleport to Lake Madison. You ready? Dynamite. The house or the car? Just follow me. I'll get a car. Come, we'll go extra fast on this. Let's go. We need to surrender. I need to blow up the house. There goes the house. Where are we gonna stay now? The hotel I booked. Yes. You have mine. Good. Okie dokie. I'm running before they can catch us. Oh, wait, here? Okay. I'm gonna quickly go to the grocery shops. I'll be back. I need to get this. Come on, get the shopping cart. I need to get nearly everything in here. We're running so low on food. Bananas! Bananas, amigos! Need more chips. More chips and more chips. We love Coke. We love this drink, purple fish juice. And we need some water just in case there's not a lot at the hotel. Whatever. Why did I feel dizzy all of a sudden? And I stopped. Anyway. Yeah, and this. Thank you. Bye. Uh-oh. Christian, he didn't get it. Now what I need to do is... Oh, he got it. I got the groceries. I'm feeling a bit sick. I'll unpack. I'll unpack. The fridge door's busted. I just want to sit and... What happened? She's there. What about Gogo? Whatever. I feel so dizzy. Just need to watch some TV. Hey! I'm gonna wash my hands and let me unpack the fridge. Feeling pretty tired, but hope you guys enjoyed the video of the bite life with my brother, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and actually don't forget to join my Roblox group. Don't forget to join my Roblox group, and yeah,